Steve, here we go, man. Yeah, you were saying something about last two. I remember, I think last Friday or Thursday, we opened the last two from that last case, so that's a case. We had two left from this. Steven got two last night to go with a bunch of other boxes he's having shipped sealed. And then there was 5 of these left, so there wasn't 2 left on that one. So I just saw your comment about 2 on something, so I was just going to let you know. They're all gone. Anyway, we'll go from a new one, Steve. You'll get 2 fresh. Oh, gosh. I can't stop yawning. There we go. Uh-oh. There we go. 1 on top, 5 on bottom. Going twice. Box number 2 and box number 1. Top 2. Those 2 are yours. That will leave over. Looks like a cutoff 66, 17, and 63. And this is a new platinum. Oh, that tape's peeling right there. One to 6 on the left, 7 to 12 on the right, going twice. Number 12. Number 12 again. And number 3. 3 and 12. Those 2 are yours. That will leave over box number 14, 05, 32, 70, 17, 42, 69, 56, 97, and 99. My leftovers from that one. There we go. And then mini chrome 1, 4, 6, 9, and 10. Number 6. Okay. What's up, Eric? Wrestling Eric, LSU, Amen 10, what's up? Make sure I got this right. Okay. Here we go. Oh. Oh my. There we go. Yeah, Kibo, I'm tired. Alright, we're starting off with Rob Blanchflower. He's an up-and-comer. He's on the hot list. Oh, here's a patch. Taj, one of the short print Tajes. Sammy Watkins. This one's number 31 of 50. One of those X-Fractor things. 31 of 50. There we go. Got Tajed. There's an X-Fractor of Sammy. Just base. Ryan Shazier. Another one of those prism looking cards. 11 of 50. Allen Robinson. Just base. Die cut of Odell Beckham. Just a bit outside. Taj Boyd, another X-Fractor. There's your one black, Jimmy Garoppolo. Just base. And base. And base. X-Fractor of Brandon Cooks. And base. Just base. Oh, I forgot the phone. I thought I heard it ring. I don't see anything. I don't know. Just base. X-Fractor of Blake Bortles. Move some of that base over. Right down there. Brandon Coleman. Autograph. This is your regular autograph, number 3. Still missing 2 autographs, one being a patch. A.J. McCarron. Here it is. Oh no, it's the jumbo patch. So that's a bonus hit. 17 of 68, Odell Beckham. Dude, you're getting an Odell. Odell jumbo patch. Aaron Murray, black. Base. Khalil Mack is your X-Fractor. Just a bit outside. Here's another one, Jared Abbrederis. There you go. Oh, here's something. Autograph rookie refractor patch, Devontae Adams. Just base. And base. X-Fractor, Darqueze Dennard. And And base. Michael Sam, X-Fractor. Hobby box. Hey, what's up, man? I'm in the middle of a live video. Is it cool if I call you right back? I'll call you right back. See ya. Just base. Derek Carr. And base. Bishop Sankey, X-Fractor. Oh, there's a pink Derek Carr. And base. Okay. Put down there. Now we'll try your mini chromes. Numbered to only 10. Jay Cutler Gold. 9 of 10. Base. What's up, Joey? JPR? This is the second break today, JPR. Numbered to 102. Gronkowski. And base. Mike Davis. Just base. And base. Just base. James White on card pink autograph. That one's numbered to 75. Just base. Just wake up. I thought you were just going to bed. Fantasy card. Block down, feeling a little better, yeah. Still sick, but not as bad. Tired. Cameron Jordan. Johnny Manziel backwards. I don't know if that's a short print or not. Johnny. Base. And base. Kadeem Carey die cut. Odell Beckham. Base. Anton Axum. Just base. Julius Thomas, and your last pack of mini chrome is base. Okay. Alright, to recap, and then we'll do your last two packs. Jay Cutler numbered to only 10, and Gronk were your color cards. Your mini chrome refractor was James White, numbered to 75 pink. Your platinum were Devontae Adams patch autograph, Jared Abbrederis, Brandon Cooks, Ryan Shazier, numbered to 50, and Rob Blanchflower. And you did get a jumbo patch of Odell Beckham, a jumbo patch, and then a Taj Boyd patch autograph. There you go. Taj Boyd patch. And we'll finish with the Prime signatures. Try sing it, Chris. You raise me up. Yeah, let me who I am. Chris Cooley, Brandon Lloyd, LaShawn McCoy. This is a double hitter. Robert Turbin to 199 and Brandon Taylor 199. Autograph, autograph. Roddy White, Emmett Smith, Michael Crabtree, and Lamar Miller. Got two on-card rookies in there. Lamar Miller and Robert Turbin. Alrighty. That's it, bud. I'll get it on the way. I'll see you.